Good morning, guys. Here we are, perched in a mountain overhang, sleeping literally with our backs to the wall. Okay, very pretty. Where am I? I'm here. That tells me nothing. I'm on the edge of a sea. God, where am I? Where am I trying to get to? I'm trying to get to here. This is the right direction. Okay. I hope I have enough food. Well, we'll always stop and cook up some steak. Okay, I did kill cows, I confess. It's shocking. I know, I shouldn't have done it. But I wanted their hide. I'm going to try and make some tanned leather. Well, we're loading in, are we? And make my backpack bigger. Okay, let's just ruin the terrain as we go. Ooh, marble lignite. Oh. Actually, I might... No, I don't need lignite. Do I? I've just watched Vintage Beef with his unending search for lignite. Oh gosh. Is there a way up? Let's make a way up. There's nothing we can't do. Oak wood, no, earth, dirt, that's what I'm looking for. Right, another step up. Looks like an open cave, doesn't it? Right, let's pillar up again. Mountain goats, yes. Mountain cows, never heard of. Oh Lord, look at that skeleton. He's going to shoot me off here, isn't he? When he sees me, yes. Well, gotta find me first, guy. And I'm going to run around this side of the tree. Hopefully where you can't see me. And run away from you. Follow me out. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Well, I'm not going in there. Guys, I have a loot sack full of loot. And that is a pit of darkness. And I'm not going in here. Well, it's not that frightening. Haha. I thought it went all the way down. You know, this mountain over here has the most amazing look to it. It looks like some beaky bloke with where I've got my cursor as his nose, with a seriously bad clown haircut. You know, mountain, I don't know what you did to deserve that, but you look awful, truly. I mean, there are some very, very beautiful mountains, and you draw the short straw in this one. Okay, here we go. Now, I think I'm quite a long way from home, judging by the maps. I think when you have to make it bigger or smaller... Oh, Lord. I've got wood on me, haven't I? Yes, I have. I think we're going to be on a boat, guys. I think we're going to be dead from a fall if we're not careful. Wow, did you see how slowly we fell then? Oh. Okay, right. Let us make a crafting bench which I've left so many of these damn things scattered all over the place. I really have been littering. I was thinking about it this morning. I have been littering. I'm not making a bed. I am making a boat out of fir wood because it's what I've got. Okay. Now, I was given some very good advice, which is make 2 boats. And then if one goes, you can use the other. So, which way are we going? Where am I? Here. Yeah, we want to get across this sea by the look of it. I just wonder if it is a sea or whether this is actually, well, either way, we're going this way. And we'll see what we come to. Yes, everything is loading in. And you'll have seen from other people's videos, whatever your computer, I tell you guys, when this is landing in, it's loading in, not landing in, then it, ooh, pretty, it causes somewhat of a problem. I've seen that before. No, I have my other house in mind, not my tree house. Actually, let's avoid the land and not hit it. I thought that was a building, and in fact it's just loading into a... Look at this beautiful area. You've got the huge mountains in the background, you've got the red rock there, you've got an oasis, and then this wonderful hill. Very nice. Very nice. Let's keep going. Did you see that? My boat is ahead of where I am. How fantastic. We're going to ground on that sand. We are not. We are going to go this way, guys. This way. I'm going the wrong way. I need to go that way. Right. Can we get between these 2 bits of land? Now this time, ah! It's almost as if the lily pads are jumping up towards me. I love the sea orchids. Isn't this weird? Isn't this weird? I'm not picking them up either. How absolutely extraordinary. Well, that's a funny effect. Okay. Yeah. If we keep going straight here, according to my map, we should get to the treehouse. Lily pads. Oh, so dark. Oh, it never fails to make me smile. It's so delightful. Are these those? Ah, now, this is where... Kevin, you're a star. That was good advice. Well done, guys. Oh, and I'm not, because I've grounded myself. I'll tell you what, I don't think anything's almost had a chance to spawn in yet. So let's try and get across here. Which, wow. I think my most used word on life in the woods is wow. I'm just thinking, I left that, I'm going to have to start taking trees down soon, you know, guys. Where are we? I still have wood. I still have my atlas. Treehouse. Don't tell me. We're not going that way. I think this is the swamp. Oh, hello, centipede, that we came to where I found out about kapok. Yes. No. That's banana. Sticks, you are going to become something else. It's going dark. Right. And again, we bed down for the night, littering the place with crafting benches. The wool's still holding up, but it doesn't get me away from the fact that I must shear more sheep if I see them. Okay, well that was a... Oh, beautiful. Don't you just... Oh, look at that. What's not to like with life in the woods? It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. Okay, well after a sea voyage, see you in the morning, guys.